The MAXX-D T4X Power Equipment Tilt Trailer is a 7,000 pound rated tilt trailer that you can load and unload with the push of a button. The T4X deck is 16 feet long and 81 inches wide and is great for hauling scissor lifts and other light equipment with a half-ton truck. Up front, this trailer has a 2 5/16 inch Demco Easy Latch adjustable coupler mounted to a 5-inch channel tongue and frame. Mounted inside of the tongue of the trailer is a 7K drop leg jack and a toolbox for the hydraulic system and storage. The floor of the T4X has 81 inches between the fenders and is supported by 3-inch channel crossmember spaced at 16 inches apart. Floor options on this trailer include treated pine, oak, steel diamond plate, or even blackwood decking. The T4X tilts its entire bed for loading and unloading using a 3x12-inch hydraulic cylinder. The wireless remote upgrade on this trailer allows you to operate the tilt bed while loading and unloading. An electric winch can be mounted to the front of the deck so you can winch up equipment or broken down vehicles onto this trailer for hauling. A single 7K electric brake axle paired with 235/80 16-ply tires carry the T4X down the road. This trailer has LED lights and a knife edge in the rear of the bed for easy loading of cars and equipment. The T4X Power Tilt makes loading and hauling your equipment easy and simple. We build trailers for the working man.